Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jane DeGraff and it's time for another affordable egg recipe because I love cooking with Australian eggs. All right, what I want to show you today is how to make a Scotch egg. Do you know what a Scotch egg is? It is a boiled egg wrapped in meat and then deep fried for a crispy coat. So let's get started. What I have here is for what I call perfectly boiled eggs. Now for me, perfectly boiled is boiled for 6 minutes from room temperature so they're still a little bit jammy in the middle. I also have some pork mince which I have seasoned with some paprika, salt and pepper and things that I like. I have some seasoned plain flour. I have 2 eggs ready to make an egg wash which I've whisked up. And I have some panko crumbs over here, which are Japanese breadcrumbs. Again, I've just put some seasonings in that I like, a bit of salt and pepper and a little tiny bit of dried parsley. Are you ready to wrap up our eggs? Let's go. Don't worry, my hands are clean, nice and washed. So I'm going to take some of our pork mince here and I'm going to press it out flat in my hand, almost like you're making a meat patty. This is the starting point. Press it out as thin as you dare to go in your palm, just like that. All right. Now we take one of our perfectly boiled eggs and we're going to wrap it up in the mince. Now you're going to have to just sort of massage it around a little bit. Oh yeah, gently squeeze, 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 squeeze. This is a great one to get the kids to do. My kids love getting their hands into their food. And when you get them involved, then they understand where their food comes from. Now what you want to do is make sure that that little meat blanket, oh yeah, I said it, is all wrapped up around the egg, all nestled in there. Cover up any holes that you find. Look at that, give it a little bit of a squish. And now we're going to create our crispy crumb coat. Try saying that 10 times fast. All right, there we go. I could keep playing with that, but I won't do anymore. All right, so over here into our seasoned flour like this. This just helps everything stick to the outside of our lovely little ball. Then we're going to drop it gently into our egg wash like this. In it goes. Just toss it around gently. This is just to help our panko crumbs stick. Make sure you cover all the bits. And then, oh, I love messy food. And then into our crumbs like this. Look at this. Now you want your crumbs all over. So don't be afraid to give it a little pat and make sure that they all stick on there. Oh, I make a lovely mess when I cook, but food should be fun and interactive. There we go. Look at that. There's our first one with its lovely coat on. Pop him over here. Right, look at these. Our Scotch eggs have their coats on and they're ready to be deep fried. Now this takes about 5.5 minutes for each one and you want to lower them into your hot oil gently and give them a turn about halfway through cooking. In we go. Oh yes. Look at that. I'm going to put 2 in because there's room in my pot and I'm just going to baby them along for a minute. Oh yeah. Right, so this is our last one done. We're just going to let him drain on some paper towel. But looky here. Here is our beautiful finished Scotch egg. Should we cut him open? Let's cut him open and have a look at what he looks like inside. All right, well, listen to this. Crispy crunchy. Here we go. Into our Scotch egg. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Gooey and delicious, and we just pop him over here. Now you can serve it with other bits and pieces like I have here, a bit like it's part of a ploughman's platter. I'm going to tilt that so you can see it. But essentially, there it is, my beautiful, oh yeah, Scotch egg wrapped in pork and panko crumbs. Join me next time. Oh. So good.